Right, here we go then. It's been a few weeks, well, about a week or so since my last video. Yeah, so not an awful lot's been going on, to be fair. Nothing much to kind of make videos about. I mean, the weather's been pretty awful since we've been back. Today it's really windy. But however, I have got my cameras with me, including my good old drone.
Houston, we have a problem.
I prefer doing this. I prefer being my own boss. You know, I'm in control of my own destiny, if you like. Right, we're in Reading, spelt the same way. We're in Reading. Anyway, that was okay. That was just about an hour to do that job. 57 quid in the bin, less me expenses. We've got the big bear is on board. The big bear is on board, ladies and gentlemen. Hello. Been a bit blowy. That's my good deed for the day. I'm going to risk it. I'm going to risk it for you viewers out there, okay? There we go. Okay, let's see if we can try and get it up there somewhere. Looking to see if it's getting affected by the wind. Strong wind, yeah. Right, okay. I'm getting a strong wind warning, so I'm going to bring her back. Takes some almighty skill to fly it down there, wouldn't it? Takes some guts and some stupidity as well, I think. Right, so I'm in a churchyard in the Oxfordshire village of Woodstock, which is about 8 or 9 miles north of Oxford. General sort of idea of my location, and over there is sort of Blenheim Palace area. This is the birthplace of Winston Churchill, for those who didn't know. Got some fantastic gardens to it, as you can see. gives you a brief idea of our location. And down there, around there is the village of Woodstock. Just a little trip around Blenheim. I thought the palace was absolutely magnificent. Right, okay, moving on some 15, maybe 20, 22 miles I think, heading west. We come to a place called Faringdon, Folly. Bit of history about this place. This is the last Folly which was built in the UK back in 1935, I believe, by Lord Berners. Let's go and have a closer look. Away she goes. Right, we'll soon be getting close to the Folly. It's just kind of down below pretty much. Right, so looking back towards where we are. There's the Folly there, just coming into view. Just drop you down slightly. As I say, this is the last Folly to be built in the UK. Set in on a hillside. I'll just show you the surroundings. The town over to the right hand side, that's Faringdon. That's literally about maybe 10 miles from Swindon. It's a bit breezy up there. I'm getting a bit of a warning regarding a strong wind. It just kind of gives you a bit of an idea what this place is. I don't know, this is not the most exciting video, and I do apologise for all that. Right, so we've now moved about 4 or 5 miles further east towards Swindon. This is my home village of Shrivenham. This is where I was brought up. Pitch behind me used to play here as a young man. I played a few games on here before I dislocated my my right knee. Anyway, I'll give you a bit of a tour of some of the village anyway. Head it up. Going to try and get you to the church where I was married. Right, it's St Andrew's Church down there. That's the church where I was married. My father is buried in that churchyard, somewhere down there. Yeah, married in 1987 in that church. St Andrew's Church, Shrivenham. bungalow down there is where my mother used to live, just on the corner. That one there. Mum died back in 2005, and that's where Mum used to live there. And our house when we grew up is, just trying to find it now, would be somewhere over there, I believe. Right, that's our old place there, I believe. That's where we used to live as kids, in that house there. Yeah, that's the place. Quick look at the Memorial Hall. That's the cricket pitch down there. Quick look at the Memorial Hall, which is where I have my reception. There we go, that's where I had my wedding reception, in that place. Nice old building with a nice stone roof. They don't make them like that anymore. There we go, so one Saturday night in September, or one Saturday day in September, I got married in the church over there in the distance, and then literally a few hours later we came here for a good old nosh up and a knees up. And that was a Saturday night back in 1987, the 19th of September 1987. There we go, that was a little brief fly over my little village of Shrivenham. Hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. I'm coming towards the end of my little walk now with my dog. I think he's enjoyed it. I certainly have. And I just want to say thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.